Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we're going to be going over some of Minimal's newest releases, as there is a ton of new bottoms coming out this week, 30 to be exact. And so for today's video, we're going to be spotlighting some of those bottoms coming out this week. Oh, and just as a quick disclaimer, I only know approximate dates, so there's a very good chance that these pants have already dropped or are dropping later in the week. For the most up-to-date information, feel free to hit the link in the description, head over to the Minimal site, and check out the new arrivals. Anyways, with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Let's look at some of these bottoms. Alright, so to start things out, we have the M1 restocking in both the OG colorway as well as in the vintage colorway. This is hands down Minimal's most popular product to date and never seems to stay in stock, which is why a restock was absolutely mandatory. The vintage style distressing, contemporary add-ons such as zippers that comprise this pair of jeans leave us with no surprise as to why this pair of denim simply cannot stay in stock. Next up, we have a whole bunch of X denim restocking, namely the X1, the X20, the X32, and the X182. Also, there is going to be a brand new release called the X186, which in my opinion is such a unique color combo and is definitely a welcome addition. Next up is a design that sold out so fast that I couldn't even get a pair for myself. The skeleton denim is restocking in both the R and the D denim. I mean, what can I say? Such a unique pair of denim. It's no surprise that they did sell out as quickly as they did. But yeah, this time around, I can say for sure, I will act promptly because there's no way I'm gonna be missing out on these jeans twice. So next up, we have the M300 series, and this is a pair of denim that the community had been asking for so long. And as soon as Minimal heard the demand from the community, they rolled out this denim. And sure enough, like hotcakes, these things flew right off the site, which is why they did decide to restock a few different pairs of denim, which include the M305 and the M301. And to make matters sweeter, there are 3 new styles being introduced to the M300 series: the M336, the M322, and the M309. I gotta say, guys, I'm so excited that they did decide to expand the M300 series line. I always saw a ton of potential for this cut of denim, and obviously you guys are loving it, so well done, Minimal. And last up, I did want to put a special spotlight on a specific pair of pants because, guys, these cargos are so fire, and I just simply could not make this video without talking about these, the waxed cargo pants. When I saw these added to the coming soon section of Minimal's website, honestly, I knew I had to have them. The details, the pockets, the structure of the pants, they just look A1. Really looking forward to those. Well done, Minimal. This release is gonna be amazing. Of course, we didn't have enough time to go through every single drop, but be sure to check out the Minimal website and head over to coming soon, as well as checking out the new arrival section. Also, for the most up-to-date details, be sure to hit the link in the description and sign up for the newsletter. Guys, this thing is so clutch because with this newsletter, you will never take an L again because you'll know everything that's dropping as soon as they go live. Highly suggest it. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, as it does let us know to keep the content coming. As always, guys, thank you so much to this community for the support. We really appreciate it. Anyways, with all that being said, I'll see you guys again next week for another Minimal Mondays.